Now this is our legendary Ram exhaust, but this is just a catback edition. So while we have the best exhaust full system for the Ram, we want to show you that our catback is no slouch either. It is the best catback out there. Now you ask why? Well, we've got our pre-clamp already on, ease of fitment for both models, DS and DT. So we've got you aligned. We even have a new version as well that fits the long body, which is traditionally found on the Bighorn DT. So we've got you covered. Now, big 3.5 pipe will support up to 600 horsepower, so no problems in the horsepower stakes. Now, most of the people have these, they're not tuning them, they want a quick bolt on. It actually makes horsepower as well. So we've tested it against a standard system. It's not just a one-trick pony of different sound. You actually get a performance gain. And that's from obviously our pipe design. Then it splits into two, twin 3-inch, but the secret key ingredient for making that sound for a catback, okay, is we've got, if you look over here, an X pipe. Now it's not that exact X pipe, we're just showing you what's inside that muffler, and it's got obviously all the muffler packing and holes, but it has an X pipe in the middle. So it's a muffler X pipe, works absolutely awesome. It mixes that sound from each bank to get that V8 sound of the Ram that you want. And then to people to know, hey man, I've got a V8, I've got a big Ram, and that's what gives you this sound. Nobody else has this technology in their catback only. Then we step on to twin 3s over the area. We've got a slight clearance for the chassis. It's not going to hurt performance. The 3-inch at the back is more than enough to actually make the horsepower level. And we've got multiple options on the back. Obviously that's some resonators. We've got the straight backs, soon to be released actually mufflers with a resonating chamber, and it's adjustable. So it's a Holzheimer pipe basically. And yeah, so you can adjust the tones and the notes that you want as well. So there's multiple levels of sound. You got the best technology, and the thing that I love about it as a dyno operator as well, I know it's not the headers, but it's made of 304 stainless polished. And what that means is no toxic paint smell. You mightn't think it's much, but for myself as an operator, and even when people get their cars, it might be, have problems with smells or anything else. The paint becomes very toxic when heated up. Guess what? The exhaust system's hot, it heats up. So anytime I see a painted exhaust, at the end of the day, we have the fans on, but it's still not enough, and we can't give the car the attention and love it deserves. And unfortunately, we're not going to do that. So it brings a smile to my face. Doesn't have to be our pipes. Any manufacturer, if they've got a non-painted exhaust, it's a big tick for me. So that's why you should buy a Ramjet. It's the superior exhaust system from all the features that we described. So there is nothing you can pick on it. It has even got adjustable sound levels as well. So if you've got a Ram, your Ram deserves Ramjet.